Hello foodies, welcome back again. I hope you are doing amazingly well. In today's video, I share with you Nigeria's spicy ripe plantain recipe. This is a favorite street food. You will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process of how to make spicy fried plantain, and the outcome is always delicious and nice. Now, let's get started. To begin, I'll start by peeling my ripe plantain. And the process is really simple, easy, and straightforward. I'll cut off the top of the plantain and then the pointy tip at the end. Next, I'll run my knife through the skin just to make a straight line. And now it's quite easy to peel. I'll pull back the skin to expose the edible plantain. And that's how to peel your plantains. So once that is done, I'll cut the plantain into the sizes that I want. For this snack, when you cut it big, after frying, it will become small. So I would advise you to cut it this way as can be seen in the video. And while I continue, I like to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers and of course to say hello again to my returning subscribers. After cutting, I'll proceed to season the plantain with half teaspoon Cameroon pepper. I'll toss it up and down to ensure the pepper gets to every part of the plantain. And I would also use my hand to gently mix it just to make sure that the plantain is well seasoned. Now I'll set it aside and I'll proceed to clean my work space or my cooking space. I'll place my frying pan on the cooker and add enough cooking oil for proper frying and allow it to get hot. Next, I'll go ahead to arrange the plantains in the hot oil. Because this plantain is really ripe, scooping it in large quantity into the hot oil is not advisable. This is because when it's done this way, the plantains will stick together and you would be unable to separate them once they get into the hot oil. So I'll suggest you fry. And as soon as you notice that it starts to brown a little bit, it's time to turn the brown ones so that the other side will fry. Because of the time it took to arrange the plantains in the hot oil, it is normal that some plantains will be well fried faster and earlier than others. All you need to do is to scoop out the already fried ones and allow the ones that are not properly fried to fry well. As you can see me do in the video, this is really straightforward, it's easy and it's nice. And I'll go back again to check those plantains and to turn them so that they can fry properly. And of course, once I am sure that they are well fried and ready to be scooped out, I will remove everything from the hot oil. This plantain recipe is very simple, easy, and straightforward. So I'll repeat the same process until I have finished frying all the plantain slices that I have. Let me tell you a little thing about how we Nigerians pronounce plantain. I know some people call it plantain, but we Nigerians, we call it plantain. So delicious, spicy, fried plantains are ready to be enjoyed. I know you've been watching this video, and I like to say it's been a privilege here or having you watch my video, and I hope you visit more often till I post my next video. I wish that you have a lovely time trying all my amazing recipes on this food blog. Have a lovely day. Bye.